Hello, Dale Majors here, and welcome to another Masterclass. We are on day 9, and today we're talking about details and really getting into the nitty-gritty. The devil is in the details, and by the end of the video, you're going to be much more clear about how you can keep yourself accountable and really make sure that these things happen. So the homework for last time was to identify the tactics that you're going to use in that role to make whatever change you want to make. And I hope that worked, or I hope that you chose them and are ready to move on to specifics. I want to start by telling you about someone in my life that really wears that willing worker cap perfectly well. So the willing worker is that person who wants to just get down the workhorse, get down and get some of this stuff done. So I, as a hope dreamer type person, I want to have 2-hour meetings. I want to say, wouldn't it be so cool if this or that? Wouldn't it be so great to what if we could do this thing? And I'm throwing out these random spaceman ideas, right? And some people are like, okay, cool, this is cool, Dale. And other people are like, oh, I'm falling asleep. Get out of here. Please save me. So I worked with an aunt of mine, and whenever I would go into her office and start to go off on one of my oh, it would be cool if we did this or the other, she'd be like, Dale, what do you actually want me to do? What do you want me to do now? And I'm like, I don't really know. And she'd be like, well, when you figure it out, come back and tell me, but I've got 50 orders to place, so please, can you let me get back to work? So I don't know if you're the hope, if you've been in that situation before in either side, but it's very real. And you have to realize the value in each of them. And we needed each other, because if it were just me running the company, then customers would be being let down because I'd be stuck in some brainstorming meeting. And actually, when this person came to work for me, and another person at the same time that was very much like her, they totally transformed my business in making us a lot more accountable. So I totally understand the value of the willing worker, and any business that executes and gets all their stuff done has a lot of willing workers in it. So the willing worker is, and the specifics is when really we just take those tactics that we chose and we place some accountability around them very specifically. So tactics or specifics are very quantifiable. So if I'm going to go to the gym and say, I want to be healthy, I'm going to lose 10 pounds, I'm going to go to the gym, all of those things, without the specifics, you're likely to fail. So how often are you going to go to the gym? Exactly when are you going to the gym? Who are you going to go to the gym with, right? How many times a week? At what time of the day? Get really clear about quantifying those tactics, so you can actually hold yourself accountable. In that gym example, just to make things simple, we talk about, I'm going to go to the gym. Great. I'm going to go now Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 1 hour, and I'm going to be there from 6 to 7 a.m. Perfect. I'm going to work with a trainer. I'm going to work with a trainer once a week for 1 hour. Great. I'm going to work with a dietitian. I'm going to meet with my dietitian and sign up for whatever program they have, where I meet with her monthly or him monthly. Those are the types of things to get down to specifics. So your goals are not completely done until you've gone through each of these 4 perspectives and satisfied each person. So when I come up with a goal, I want to be able to sell it to the different people in my world. I'm the hope, the dream guy. And I have other people, my friend Spencer's totally Mr. Dream Big Picture. I'm going to be the best, professional in the world doing X. He's my dream guy. I look to him for inspiration. How big would Spencer think, right? And then my actual outcome, that's my brother. My tactician, that's my friend. And then my aunt is this willing worker. So when I come up with the goal, I want to say, does it pass their snuff test? Are they going to say, yeah, that's a good plan. Those are good tactics, Dale. That's a great way to solve your problem. And yes, you've actually clearly identified enough to actually be accountable for that. That sounds great. Your goals are only complete once you quantify the tactics with specific measures. All right, so your homework for today is to create all the specifics around your goal. And some extra credit is to download the book. I'm gifting you a free children's book about goal setting, okay? So it's a fable, it's a story that we got put together, and it has to do with 4 friends and a journey they go on and how all of them needed each other, and it teaches the HATS model. So I want you to share this with some child in your life, or someone who's a child at heart, or your boss. I don't care who you share it with. Share it with somebody and explain some of this. And the best way to learn is to teach others. So that's the homework for today. Specifics for your goals and reading the book. And we've got the free download for you in the link in the video. So that's it. We are done with day 9. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.